beautiful. Today we are going to be talking about skincare and specifically what happens if you ignore your skincare. So we're kind of coming at it from from the back end a little bit differently today. And this is going to be fun. I'm Lisa DeLigori with Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty, and a smaller, more personal beauty brand. Before we begin, I like to start off with the makeup look that I put together to give you makeup ideas and inspire you. So let's start with that. So first of all, the colors that I'm wearing on my eyes, and of course our products at Simple Beauty Minerals are really multitasking. So they're not just on my eyes, they're other areas as well. So first of all, the colors that I have on. Okay, let's see. So Whisper is just under my brow bone to open up the eye and polish off the look. This one is our new Almond, and I have Almond in several places. I have Almond on my eye as a transition shade, so I just window wipered it with a big fluffy brush into the center of my eye. I also have it on my cheeks and I have it on my lips with a little bit of Marvelous lip gloss slicked on top. And then, we were, so Whisper, Almond, and Bliss. I have Bliss on my lid to open up the lids and give a bit of pop and shimmer. And I also have Bliss on the inner corner to lighten up the area and also add some more pop and interest to the eye area. And then lastly, the last one here is Port. And I have Port in the crease. And you can also wear Port as a cheek color and a lip color if your coloring bears the deeper burgundy color, so that's quite pretty. So have fun with your makeup. You can really experiment. As you know, we talk about it all the time. So wanted to give that to you there. That's our makeup look. And let's get started with the skincare. I am really going to enjoy this one. So, okay, that just went on the floor. All right. What if you ignore your skincare? In other words, how big of a deal is it really? How important is it really? Is it all hype and marketing? So let's walk through that. So ignoring your skincare. Let's talk about opportunity costs. I think that's the biggest takeaway here, is that you lose the opportunity for so many benefits for your skin. You lose the opportunity to increase collagen production. You lose the opportunity to slow down the speed of which your skin, your external signs of aging happen. You lose the opportunity cost of slowing down lines and wrinkles and dark spots and sagging and what else? Reactive skin, we can help soothe that. Acne, you lose the opportunity cost of keeping that at bay. So opportunity cost is a big thing. Keep that in the back of your mind as we go through all these. And you're also going to see a lot of crossover because a lot of skin products do crossover and do multiple things. So there's a lot going on when you're using your skincare products consistently. And if you've been with me for any amount of time, you know consistency is key, and I talk about that a lot, because without it, it's not going to do anything. Again, like exercise, if you're not consistent with exercise, like diet, if you're not consistent at eating, your leafy greens and your nuts and seeds and your fruits and vegetables and getting adequate amount of nutrients in your body on a daily basis, it's not going to do as much, right? So here's a question. If I gave up everything and just used a moisturizer? Okay, what do you think? Let's talk about that. First of all, you would get an accumulation of dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. And as we age, our body's ability, as we've discussed before, our body's ability to slough off the excess dead skin slows down with age. So you will get an excess accumulation of dead skin cells which do not accept moisture. They're dead. So if you're putting on your moisturizer and you're not doing anything else, it's acting, those dead skin cells are acting like a barrier that the moisture, the hydration cannot get through. So it's kind of a moot point. In addition, debris that just, the stuff that accumulates on your skin during the day is just wear and tear. So if you're just slapping on moisturizer, it's not enough. It's almost detrimental. Okay, what about this one? What if I ignore cleansing and toning? Okay, well, your face will never truly be clean. And when your skin is clean, you can again accept some of the benefits, well, all of the benefits that your skincare brings to you. Your skin will present with an uneven skin tone. And let's see, I don't want to forget. Oh, redness. If you are prone to redness, redness can increase. Blotchiness, roughness, that's that dead skin accumulation. Breakouts, clogged pores, if you are prone to those will increase. And this is all without using consistent cleansing and toning. Lines and wrinkles will form sooner. Yes, cleansing and toning has a lot to do with the advanced lines and wrinkles, the external signs of aging, so much of it. And your skin can become more reactive or more sensitive if you're prone to that. So, takeaway, be consistent with your cleansing and toning. All right, what if you ignore exfoliation? This is one of my favorite ones. You skip it, you ignore it, you just don't do it. Wasted time. Okay, your skin will be dull, dry, acneic, or both. Rough, patchy, pores will get larger, skin tone will be uneven, dark spots will increase, and you will get more of them. Your skin will feel less supple. Need I go on? Exfoliation is key. Okay? What if I ignore moisturizer or eye cream? Do I really need eye cream? Okay, a couple of layers there. So we talked about moisturizer in the beginning, and I said don't just slap it on and don't do anything else. So if you're exfoliating and now you're using moisturizer, now you're getting all the benefits. Now, the thing about using your moisturizers is that, and we've talked about this before on other tutorials, is that your skin cells literally have the ability to learn to accept more hydration if you're moisturizing consistently. Again, it's like exercise. Your muscles gain strength if you're consistent. Otherwise, they just get sore and painful. Same with your skin cells. They can learn to adapt more moisture. Your skin will become plumper if you're consistent with your moisturizer and your exfoliation. Eye cream. So I get this question a lot. Do I really need eye cream? And here's kind of where my answer lays. So if you're really want to keep things simple, and you want to streamline and you're just not going to do the extra step, it's just a pain to you, then don't use an eye cream. Just take your olive oil cream, your pomegranate lotion, whatever you're using on your skin, and tap it around your eye area, on the bone here and on the brow bone there and above your mouth. Don't forget that area, a little extra. Make sure you get those spots. But if you really want optimum for your skin, optimum results, you want to use an eye cream. Why? It's not just a moisturizer. It's not just a thicker moisturizer, though it is more concentrated because it's designed to stay where you put it. But it has concentrated specific active ingredients in it, in our eye cream, that go to work specifically for those areas and for the issues that come around the eye area. Fine lines and wrinkles, sagging, dark spots. Okay, so concentrated specific actives for those concerns. So what if you don't do it, and you're just using moisturizer? It's okay, it's better than nothing. But if you want optimum results, use your eye cream. All right, here's another one of my favorites. What if I ignore my support serums? I think I like that name, support serums, not anti-aging, although that can be very effective in terms of communication when we say that, but I like support serums. Your vitamin C serum, your brightening serums like our Bright On serum, your clear skin serum, which is an acne control or blemish control serum. It's also an exfoliant. Let's circle back to that term, opportunity loss. You are missing opportunities to support your skin doing its best job. We want to give our skin all the tools that we can to support it so that it can do the best work it can. It wants to behave. It wants to do a good job. Our skin wants to create better skin cells. So by drinking enough water, by eating a really plentiful diet, by exercising to get the blood flowing, all of those, in addition to your support serums, are really beneficial. So for example, I haven't even been showing things. So support serums, such as your resveratrol serum, your vitamin C serum, those are bringing in antioxidant support because your skin, and again, as we age, our skin's ability to fight off antioxidants, which are those little Pac-Man, remember Pac-Man? Little guys, the free radicals, I should say, are those guys that go in and they destroy they harm our skin cells. So antioxidant support, because free radicals come from oxidative stress, okay, right? Antioxidant support. You want to eat them, consume them, and apply them to help your skin. Our bodies, as we age, don't make enough to last through the day. So we want extra support. So if we're not using them, opportunity loss, rough texture, uneven skin tone, more sagging, so loss of firmness. Aging just generally will speed up. What else? Dark spots deepen and spread. So if you were using a Bright On serum, that helps to keep your skin an even tone and brighter texture. And if you tend towards acneic or oily skin or clogged pores, Clear Skin Serum, if you're not using it, that's just going to worsen. Okay, so, right? So remember, we don't want to ignore our cleansing and our toning. We want to do that consistently, and we want to make sure we're using our exfoliants. All right? Okay. This is my favorite because I get this a lot in different phrasing. What if I ignore sunscreen? I can't even go there. Again, if you've been following me for a while, you know this is a key point for me. Dermatologists are now saying that up to 90% of the external signs of our aging are due to the sun's UVA rays and UVB rays. So I think UVA is aging, UVB is burning. That's why we get sunscreens that say broad spectrum, so that you can protect against both of those. Okay, so if you ignore sunscreen, you're going to age much quicker in terms of external signs of aging. You're going to have more dark spots. They're going to be deeper and they're going to spread. You are going to have more lines and wrinkles. You're going to have a rougher texture. You could have more redness. And let's not forget the main thing. This is a very big health factor, is skin cancer. It's a thing. So now we're talking serious risks, right? So wear your sunscreen. Do it for vanity, do it for safety, do it for all of the above, but wear your sunscreen 365 days of the year, whether you're quarantining at home or keeping it into the house mostly, just wear it, okay? The two areas that I see skipped a lot are exfoliation and sunscreen. And as you can see, and based on what we're saying, those are critical components to having the best skin that you have. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I really appreciate you taking the time out to watch this and to learn about why not to ignore your skincare. But if you're on Facebook, please give us a like and a follow, and click yes, give me notifications so that you'll get notified when we go live with our weekly tutorials. And I also pop in quite a few times during the week, really short 3-5 minute videos to give, different tips and different things that are going on, and quick color, tutorials, really quick. But you want to get notifications for those. And if you follow along, if you like YouTube, go to Simple Beauty Minerals at YouTube and give us a follow there. Subscribe to the channel. So I thank you so much.